I'm going to quickly tell you everything I know and everything you need to know about these SoundPEATS GoFree2, which I've been wearing for a week or two now. So I'm going to go rifling through all the most common questions that I've gotten, and I've probably worn 15 pairs of these things from different brands. I do need to tell you that SoundPEATS provided these to me to do this review, but no instructions what to say, so I'm going to go wild on them. Let's talk about the most common, most interesting question I get. This is it. You ready? Can you comfortably wear glasses with these? And I guess it's an interesting question because you would think they would conflict, but they do not at all. I ride bikes and I wear my sunglasses all the time with them, and you just saw me put my glasses on and off, no big deal. Another one relating to fit, finish, that kind of stuff. These are the lightest, most comfortable open ear, over the ear earbuds that I've ever put on. Out of those like 15 odd pairs, super comfortable, really amazing. The quality is really nice, the way they are constructed ergometrically, all that kind of stuff. Sound quality, let's talk about it because that's always the gorilla in the room for these over the ear type of earbuds. Sound quality is always subjective, right? Because it is so much better than a bone conductive set of headphones, but it's never as good as those ones that are jammed all the way into your ear canals, right? But for safety reasons, you want these over-the-ear ones, right? Because it's not blocking your ear canal. So I can be on my bicycle and I'll hear Granny backing up down the driveway and I can react to that, or you hear the dog barking after you, all those kind of things, all those important safety awareness things you have going on with these. In exchange, you definitely drop a little bit of sound quality, a little bit of volume, and also if you were like in the airport or something like that and listening to your music really loud, the person sitting next to you is going to be listening to it a little bit as well. But the safety factors you pick up, I believe, really exceed those small losses in sound quality. I really like it. It's just not as rich as the in-the-ear style. This isn't a common question, but I do want you to know because it's important for your life with these. These are the most current version of Bluetooth, which is Bluetooth 5.3, which means you get multi-device connectivity, which is a great party trick, as well as a really strong signal, which I find for earbuds it is less important in terms of the distance, more important in terms of the amount of information coming to the earbuds, because that's going to translate into a better audio signal. My last most common question, and I got a little bit of a fun answer for this one, is are they waterproof? And so they are IPX5, waterproof, water resistant, whatever you want to call that. From a technical term, what that means is these are supposed to be able to survive a stream of water in any direction for 3 minutes continually. What does that really mean for you in terms of waterproof? I think it means a basic boundary, right? So you can wear these if you go running in the rain. If you sweat like mad at the gym, you can wear them, no problem. If you're on your bike or you're running in the rain and you drop them in the puddle and pick them up, that is all fine. The cutoff line is do not go swimming in them. Do not take a shower in them. Do not take a bath in them. You know, like those kind of normal things. I guess you could take a bath as long as you're not submerging yourself for, I don't know why you would submerge yourself in the bath. Forget that. Just don't swim with them. Don't sit in the shower for 20 minutes with them getting soaked. All that's not going to go very well for them. But normal life, they are going to be pretty darn waterproof, right? Rain, sweat, all those normal moisture conditions, they are absolutely going to be waterproof for that. Overall, these things are definitely really very cool. I hope this was helpful. We'll see you next time.